Here I is for supper tonight. I have a fake pork rib. Oh, boneless pork rib. It's not fake. Boneless pork rib, beans, and potatoes. And I was gonna go in here and get a drink. And I was just, what's my choice? Well, don't have much of a choice, do I? Orange, baby. You know what that means? Orange. But I don't need one anyway because I went out and got the camera to make this video, and there was already a half orange drink out there, so I don't need it. Yeah, I don't need it, so I made the video for no reason at all. Yeah, I don't have any videos left to put up except this one right here. Yeah, I think I put up 30 videos, 36 videos in the last 2 days. Yes, I did. I know. Gary, you're wasting your time because there's only 10 people going to watch the video in a week or so. Whatever. I think you guys will deal with it. Where's my fork? Shit, where's my fork? Ah, it's out on the other side. God damn it. Brought my fork out near where I was going to eat. You know, out here in the TV tray. And I should have kept it out there with me so I could swoosh the meat around and maybe flop some butter on top of the potatoes. Let's see what happens here. Ow, that's warm. And that's warm too. Let me see. Nope. Nope, not at all. Okay, let me put some butter on this and we'll melt that puppy right here in the oven. Whoa, look out! Paper towel falling. Right there. Right there. Alright, let's try this again. Put it in for another 2 minutes. Did you guys see any of this? 2 minutes. I know, you guys didn't see a goddamn thing, did you? Ew. I don't get the video camera out just so that you can not see what I'm doing. Worst camera guy ever. I'm telling you right now, worst camera guy ever. Well, what can I say? I only have 2 camera guys and they're both worthless. So I just flicked on a movie and, or I should say I just finished the movie and it left me hanging. And he's gonna go on to bigger and better movies and another couple seasons, episodes and stuff like that, but I haven't seen it yet. So, yeah, whatever. Life is cruel, and then it sucks to get out of here. Everybody goes to the same place. Ah, 35 seconds left. Whew. Think it's hot? I think it is. I know. I think what I'm going to do also is get me one of these. That's one of those. It's a pad that says, hey, if it's too hot, here you go. I can't even use it for a oven mitt, which I will be doing right here because this plate is going to be hot. Oh, we're ready. Ow! That's hot, so I know this plate is going to be hot. Turn it around. so that I don't have all that padding on there into the food. Yeah, he's hot now. So now that I got that out of there, how do I get that on there? Lift it once real quick. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, that's hot. Alright, let's go eat it. You guys hang on. Okay, I got it. You guys alright? I'll bring the kitty in. Hey, you wanna come in? You wanna come in? What do you wanna do? What do you wanna do? I'm not gonna hang here all day. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I'm a slouch. All week I'm a slouch until tomorrow. Tomorrow is, we gotta clean this thing up, yeah, we day. Alright, I'm watching another movie.
She was really upset.
So that means I don't have any metal.